That's you. Someone check in the middle. Oh. Better touches, boys. Let's go. Pick it up, pick it up. Good, Jared, good, Jared, good, Jared, good, Jared. Good, Jared. Good, Evo. Good, Guts.
Hey, oh, wait. Yeah. Yes. Nice, nice. Yes.
So that as soon as it gets to Tila, he's pinging it there. Okay. As soon as that ball goes into flight, Devin, where are you going? New dude, where are you gonna go? You're gonna come into the space right behind him in case he needs to drop the ball back. Okay? You guys have to be seen. You have to recognize what's going on. Because if not, we've just screwed ourselves, right?
Hey.
Ballpark.
Yep. Hey.
Oh. All right, let's settle it. Good hit, Dad. Nice. Big one, big one, big one. Yeah, one more. Yep, yep.
My bad, my bad, my bad. Hey, we pressure together, we pressure together. Go back. Got me, got me. We get it back, we get it back. Oh. Oh my God. You got time, you got time. Why? You got time, you got time. Get out wide. Ah. Mike, go wide, go wide. You can get another touch. Take it.
I'm okay if it's a flex off you.